Well, let's get you about today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be replying to the motion of thanks in the Lok Sabha at around 5 p.m. This even as the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha might be in trouble for his allegedly unsubstantiated and defamatory remarks on the floor of the House that he made on Monday. Participating in the debate on the president's address, Rahul Gandhi said that they would not send their foreign minister to the United States to get our prime minister invited to the US president's coronation. Hitting back, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has asked Rahul Gandhi to substantiate his claims on the government's foreign policy first.
When we talk to the United States, we would not send our foreign minister to invite our prime minister to his coronation. We would not send him 3 or 4 times, please invite our prime minister. Because if we had a production system and if we were working on these technologies, the American president would come here and invite the prime minister. So it is important to understand where
foreign policy. Leader of opposition cannot make such serious unsubstantiated statements. This is related to the relation between two countries, and he is making an unverified statement about invitation of the Prime Minister of our country. It's matter of our dignity. How can you make such kind of statement? He's leader of opposition, sir. He should be responsible in making such statement.
LOP is giving us very positive suggestions. Why they are worried, sir? For the country, he is giving.
Leader of opposition has the information from any official source. He must inform the House. If leader of opposition has the information, please inform the House.
Okay.
Who has told you that foreign ministers have visited for the purpose which you have mentioned? You must specify it.
So, I'm sorry that disturbed you, that question. I apologize for disturbing your peace of mind.
Well, not just on one issue, other issues as well. There was not just one time when Rahul Gandhi raised the hackles of the Treasury benches. His claim that the Indian army contradicted the centre and the Prime Minister on the issue of Chinese incursion and that OBC MPs in the BJP have been silenced. Both the attacks were vehemently countered by the BJP.
OBCs, you have 50% of the population, and you have absolutely no power. I know that you're sitting there and you cannot even open your mouth. That is the truth of the country.
प्रधानमंत्री का चेहरा आपको दिखाई नहीं देता है।
जाति जनगणना,
प्रधानमंत्री का चेहरा आपको दिखाई नहीं देता है।
आर्किटेक्चर,
आप अंधे हो गए हैं क्या? ये अंधेरा हो गया है। ये कुछ दिखता नहीं है।
Army has contradicted the Prime Minister. It's true. The Prime Minister has denied it. The Prime Minister has denied it, and the Army has disagreed with the Prime Minister that China is sitting on 4,000 square kilometers of our land, of our territory.
ऐसा इस सदन में आप मन चाहे बात नहीं बोल सकते हैं। ये बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है सर। ये सीरियस मामला है। आप फॉरेन पॉलिसी पे, बॉर्डर इश्यू पर आप अपना कैसे मजाक बात कर सकते हैं? अपना मन कहानी आप बना के बोल रहे हैं। ये तो बहुत सीरियस मामला है।
विदेशी प्रतिपक्ष के नेता जो आप विषय बोल रहे हैं, जो विषय आप बोल रहे हैं, उसके तथ्यों को
Let me speak.
सदन के पटल पे रखना आप